Bonjour, Kinamagi and Ireland and Dishnikas, and welcome to this production of Support Coach Television. Today's episode, Using Silver in Medicine. First read. We'll begin this lesson with a conversation on context clues. When you read, use context clues to help you learn new words. Context clues are words near an unfamiliar word that provide information about the word's meaning. Context clues may offer a comparison to the unfamiliar word that will help you figure out what the word means. For example, this sentence from Using Silver in Medicine. Because of its bacteria-fighting properties, silver can be used as an antiseptic to protect against infection, just as modern medicines are used to kill germs. What does antiseptic mean? Circle the words that show a comparison. Let's grab our annotation tool here. Just as other ones are used to kill germs, protect against infection. So it starts to give me an idea of what this word might mean. And I also would note that it starts with anti, which means it's against something. So whatever an antiseptic is, or an antiseptic, you can protect against infection and it kills germs. So it kind of gives me an idea of what that word might mean. The following are vocabulary words from Using Silver in Medicine. Find the words in the text. Circle the context clues that help you understand the meanings. So let's look at purify on page 201. And it's going to be a highlighted word. Here we go. Doctors believe silver could purify people's blood, just as soap washes away dirt. So if I want to see what's close to it, just as soap washes away dirt. So maybe purify would be to clean in this case. And that does make sense with the actual definition of the word. Diluted on 201. The silver nitrate could not be used at full strength, but it could be diluted in water and applied to babies' eyes as eye drops. And I looked at the sentence before. Silver nitrate could not be used at full strength. So if I can't use it at full strength, but I can use it at lesser strength, and the word diluted has to have something to do with that, I could say that it's less strength. And really, we happen to know that diluted means that we're going to make it less powerful or less concentrated. And going back, intravenously on 202. Taken orally or even intravenously, just as some vaccines can be taken by mouth or in a shot. All right, I'm starting to pick it up here. Orally, I know is mouth, but we have in a shot. So that means somehow into our bodies without having to put it in our mouth. And we know that vaccines are a very common topic at this point, that a shot goes into your body, into your veins. So intravenously. The skill that we're focusing on in the first read is locate information. When you are asked a question about something you have read or when you need to solve a problem, you want to be able to find the answer quickly and correctly. It is important to know how and where to locate information in a text. Scientific texts are usually organized with subheadings that tell you what the paragraphs that follow them will be about. Visuals, photographs, and captions will also tell you about specific information that helps you understand the text. Let's try that. Let's read the following excerpt from a science article. So, Advances in Medicine, that's my title. So I'm going to go ahead and underline that because I have a feeling that's going to be important. So before I even read, I know it's going to have something to do with medicine, and probably how medicine's getting better. My subheading is gold in medicine. Okay. I know that we were just talking at the beginning of this about using silver in medicine, but talking about gold in medicine, maybe the element gold can be used in medicine somehow. So it gives me an idea of what it might be about. Gold, a precious metal mostly used in making jewelry, actually has some use in modern medicine. Of course, gold is used in dentistry to create crowns and bridges for damaged or drilled teeth. But small amounts of gold are also used in the manufacture of surgical instruments. This is because gold does not react when it comes in contact with other chemical substances. So once I read it, it does support how gold is used in medicine and how that improves medicine. So this kind of goes right into this, and this goes into telling about that. So I'm able to use the subheading and the title to get an idea of what this is going to be about. And as it turned out, I was right. So were you. As you read using silver in medicine, you'll fill out the worksheet on page 285 or the Google form in the Google Classroom. At this point, you should return to the Google Classroom and pick up the full text. Have a minute, Gishigad, Minwa, Bama P.